You'll need a radio code after replacing this battery, and depending on your model, choosing the wrong battery type might lead to premature failure. So stick around for a full step-by-step replacement, as well as info on the battery and what to expect after installation. Before working on anything else, disconnect the negative terminal first. More info on that in this video on the screen. Unlock the positive cover with these two pins on the side and loosen the clamp fastener at the base of the terminal. Now loosen the hold-down bracket at the base of the battery. When installing the new battery, slide it under this retaining lip at the back. I'll share some info on this battery a bit later, but for now connect the positive terminal first and make sure to push the terminal down as far as possible. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Then install the bracket. And lastly, connect the negative terminal. The battery we used on this 1.2 petrol model was a 70 amp hour EFB battery, but if yours is fitted with a stop-start system, an AGM battery would be best. There were no warnings on startup, but a radio code will be required, which you can usually find in your manual. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.